Why are you running?
Hey Leah, how have you been?
Hi, Alex. Surviving without turning into a couch potato. Thanks for asking. How about you?
You know me, just trying to avoid becoming part of the furniture myself.
Well, it's good to see you're still mobile. I've been hearing rumors you've started running.
Rumors travel fast. Yes, I've been running away from my responsibilities.
So that's where they've all gone. I was wondering why my to-do list was getting longer.
Don't worry, they can't run as fast as I can. But yes, you heard right, I've been doing some actual running as well.
For real? That's quite a shift from the old Chipsan TV Alex I knew.
Yes, quite a surprise, isn't it? Who would have thought that I'd choose running shoes over a TV remote?
Honestly, no one. But I'm curious, what made you pick up running?
Well, it all started with me simply wanting to get more fresh air and less screen time.
That's fair. So you thought, why walk when I can run?
Huh, something like that. I guess I just wanted to test my limits, see how fast I can go, you know.
And the need for speed took over?
You could say that. It's exhilarating to feel the wind in your hair and your heart pumping. It's a different kind of rush.
Sounds thrilling. And here I was thinking you started running because you accidentally signed up for a marathon instead of a Netflix marathon.
Well, who knows? That could be the next chapter in my running story. Honestly, the thought of running a marathon is as scary as accidentally deleting all my saved TV shows.
I can see that. But tell me more, why do you continue to run? What's your motivation?
Initially, I just wanted to get off the couch and do something different, you know. But as I started running, I felt a sense of freedom.
Freedom from the couch or from the TV?
Both, I guess. Running helped me clear my mind. I felt more focused, more alive.
That's deep, Alex. So, you're saying running is your new therapy?
It's more than therapy, Leah. It's a challenge, it's meditation, it's me time. Plus, I'm getting fitter.
Sounds like running away from responsibilities is not that bad after all.
It seems so, but remember, only when you're running towards a finish line. Indeed, but there's more to running than just escaping reality.
Do tell. What has running taught you?
Well, it's shown me that every path has its puddles. Sometimes you can jump over them, other times you just have to get your feet wet.
So, you're saying running has made you a philosopher now?
Maybe a bit. But seriously, it's not always easy. There are days when my legs feel like lead, but I've learned that the mind gives up before the body does.
Sounds tough. But I guess there must be some benefits too, or you wouldn't keep doing it.
Absolutely. The energy, the sense of achievement, the sunrises I get to see, and not to mention, I've lost some weight and feel healthier overall.
Wow. Those are solid reasons. Plus, you get to outrun the zombies in a post-apocalyptic world.
Huh, that's right. Always a bonus. Yes, the zombie apocalypse survival skill is a definite perk.
So, what's next on your running journey? Going to chase down Usain Bolt's record?
Well, I might need a few more lifetimes for that. But I am planning to participate in a 5K run next month.
That's impressive, Alex. From couch potato to 5K, what a transformation.
Thanks, Leah. It's been quite the journey. And who knows? Maybe one day, you'll join me on these runs.
Maybe when the zombies are chasing us, Alex. Until then, I'm happy with my walks in the park.
Fair enough. But if you ever change your mind, you know who to call.
Absolutely, Alex. Your running story is quite inspiring. Keep it up.
Will do, Leah. And don't worry, if the zombies come, I'll save you a pair of running shoes.